Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Chatfuel login issues in 2026. If you are unable to sign in, getting stuck on loading, or seeing error messages, this guide will help you solve the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable and working properly. Next, refresh the login page or restart your browser to clear temporary glitches. Now make sure you are using the correct email address and password for your Chatfuel account. Next, try using the Forgot Password option to reset your login credentials if you cannot remember them. Now clear your browser cache and cookies, as corrupted data can sometimes block the login process. Next, try logging in using a different browser or use incognito mode to avoid extension conflicts. Now disable any VPN, proxy, or browser extensions like ad blockers that might interfere with the login system. Next, check if Chatfuel servers are temporarily down and wait a few minutes before trying again. Now make sure your Facebook or Instagram login is working properly if you are using social login. Finally, if the issue still continues, reset your password and try logging in again from a fresh session. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Chatfuel login issues. You should now be able to access your account without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.